What's up everybody? My name is Keegan. I'm here with Sierra at our expo and I'm about to show you our 400BH. This is a brand new destination floor plan we've got. If you guys have a permanent site, it's perfect. There's no slides on this side, so that way your deck fits perfectly. One of the really cool features on the outside, we have a tinted sliding glass door. And if you come on over here, we've got an exterior reefer and we've got storage, and we can also put a reefer in here. And then we'll step on up. So this is the rear bunk room. So the bathroom being accessible from the outside is great for your guests. You have a cool little entertainment, which can double as a little sleeping section. And this will actually be its own closed off room. And then if you come up here, we've got a hidden little loft for a second bedroom. So as we come into the kitchen, one of the very first things you're gonna notice is this massive refrigerator. So this is an LG 22 cubic foot refrigerator. It's got an ice maker in it. It's one of the largest in its class, and it's a very nice touch to this permanent site. And the other really cool feature is going to be the insignia range. So it's a 4-burner range. It's got huge space inside, just like you're used to at home. And then we finish off most of our destination with a solid surface countertop. So we have a full one-piece shower in our bathroom, which is really nice for a permanent site. And as you come up into the bedroom, we'll have this big wardrobe closet, so you can fit almost anything you need. Obviously, if you've got a great view of the lake, you're going to keep that with your bedroom. And then on this closet over here, it will be prepped for washer and dryer prep. Once again, guys, my name was Keegan with Sierra. If you've got any questions or want to see anything else, check out our website. We've got tons of videos and tons of more floor plans and options for you all.